Good morning, traders. Welcome to this week's cryptocurrency market analysis webinar. I hope you all had a wonderful week. And for those that are holding long-term portfolios, you must be all smiles because we have now recovered on some cryptocurrencies, especially ADA. We've recovered almost 100% of the so-called crash that we saw in May. Bitcoin recovering over 61%, looking very interesting. So let's do a recap here. Before we do a recap, if you'd like to contact us, check out our contact details under the description of all our videos on our channel. So that's where you'll find the contact details. Under each and every one of our videos, you'll find the contact details and also our social media pages. That's where you'll find the description. You'll also find the link to our website, that is the ELLIOTTWAVE We also post the chart of the week on our website. Our chart of the week was a forex pair, that is a Euro Audi. You can check it out there. All right, so our next course starts on the 6th of September. It is an ELLIOTTWAVE trading course for 10 days. So the ELLIOTTWAVE strategy can be applied in any market, as I keep saying. It can be the forex market, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, you name it. So the theory can be applied and the strategy can be applied in any market. The course starts on the 6th of September, so you can start making your purchases beforehand. So the advantage with that is that you get to watch the course, the recorded course, before the live one starts in September. So the recorded version is immediately available when you make a purchase. All right, guys, if you like what we do, please drop us a like, subscribe to the channel if you've not already done so. And also hit that bell notification button so you don't miss another upload from us. We'd appreciate your feedback as well. Please drop a comment under the comments section. Let's start with the analysis here. Bitcoin, what did we look at last week? I showed the bigger I showed the bigger structure on Bitcoin and where we are going. Right, so let's have a look here. So if you look at the white degree here on Bitcoin, let's get this one off here and look at the bigger structure here on Bitcoin. So let's have a look at the white degree. I'm going to remove this so we can just look at the structure. Let's take this off. So this is the structure that we showed last week. What we're expecting of Bitcoin. So this is the highs from 2018 at 20,000, pullback in 3 waves around 2019, and we've been on an uptrend since 2019 as far as Bitcoin is concerned. Yes, we did have this corrective structure here. So this purple degree is not complete. This wave 3, you don't see it on the screen because it is still, we're still looking for much more upside. So that is on the super cycle degree in the purple. So the white degree is the what is the cycle degree here. As you can see, we are currently in this 5-wave structure here, internal lower degree 5-wave structure as far as the super cycle is concerned. We are looking at this as a pullback here and for this to start a wave 5. Now the question was whether this pullback was complete as it is or whether it was going to be more flat. So let's have a look at what we're looking at. We are now as much as 50% of this move here. So this is the move from the September, or rather from the May 2021 highs. We had this pullback that got everybody panicking. Now we have now recovered about 61%, as I said earlier. Is this now going to be a continuation to the upside? If we continue to the upside, if this is the start of the move to the upside, that means our wave 4 is completed. Okay, now if wave 4 is completed, before I go to wave 4, let's just have a look here at the blue degree. You'd also have a lower degree here as follows in the blue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is already completed. So now we are making a pullback in the white 4th degree here, cycle degrees. Let's have a look here at what we're looking at. We want to see if we're going to have consolidation here and continuation to the upside. So that is what we have here. So let's go to the 4-hour. So if this continues to the upside, what that means for the 4-hour structure is this. Let's just show the structure only. It means that this was a 4-wave. This was a 3-wave structure here. We've got this as 1, as 2, and as 3. Okay. Now this will be an impulse with 5 waves here. You can't really see them in this degree. A corrective structure here with 3, and then a 5-wave move as follows: 1, 2, 3, 4, and this being the wave 5 here, the orthodox low there. So that means you've got a B, C corrective structure. Okay, the C is here. So I just wanted you to see this. So let's have a look here on the yellow degree, would actually be this one here, ABC with an extended wave C here. I need to use the right color, and the right color here is yellow. and we'll have this as a three-wave structure, and now we start a move to the upside. Is the start of the move to the upside. We are seeing continuation to the upside, and that's all we've been seeing here. We've been getting 4-hour setups during our live trading room. We've got live trading room in our group every day at 10 a.m. GMT. That is 8 a.m. GMT before the start of the London session. We have live trading session where we're looking for direction and trading opportunities. We look for entries, stop losses, and take profit areas. So what we saw here over the last week was this continuation pattern. We also saw this continuation pattern around these levels. So the market keeps providing us with trading opportunities. So when we were here, the structure was still not clear whether we were going to get another leg to the downside. But after this level here, you could see clearly what the market was going to provide for us after this corrective structure here. This is a textbook expanding, running flat rather here. So that's when we got the move to the upside, and we are now still bullish as far as Bitcoin is concerned. So we've got a move to the upside. This is a continuation pattern. We're going to see a little bit more upside. 50,000 has been reached. Have we reached 50,000? Not just yet, but it will be hit anytime, just a few dollars short. So we are looking for more upside, but we're not going to go up in a straight line. At some point, we're going to have to get a pullback, maybe around back to the 44,000 before we get another leg to the upside. So the move to the upside now is a bit more too expensive to buy at these levels. So wait for pullbacks. As much as we can still see that we're still going to get continuation to the upside, this is not an area to buy if you're not involved from the bottom here, or at least around this level. So that is Bitcoin. Still expect more upside. Let's look at the rest of the market here. Ethereum trending higher as well. So we're expecting the same thing here. So Ethereum here, we're looking for this one to have started the move to the upside. That's the move to the upside. This is a continuation pattern with the running flat. So we saw the running flat in our trading group. So that's when we saw that this is going to continue to the upside. Okay, again, just like Bitcoin, this will not go up in a straight line. We should start expecting a pullback around these levels. That is Ethereum. Now, Litecoin. Okay, also continuation to the upside as far as Litecoin is concerned. So what we're going to see is more upside on the cryptocurrencies. This was a running flat similar to what we had on Ethereum. We're looking for this one to make a move to the upside. Continuation to the upside, we are still bullish. 220 well within reach now as far as Litecoin is concerned. Ripple, a very clear structure on Ripple. Let's have a look here on the daily as far as Ripple is concerned. Let's look at the daily chart here. Now, if you look at Ripple, you'll see that this has completed a clear three-wave structure. When the crash in May started, we were simply looking for Ripple to do this and continue to the upside. But we did not get that. Instead, this became overextended. But if you look at this, this does not change the structure one bit. This is still a three-wave pullback with a WXY corrective structure. So Ripple should continue to the upside, may even reach the all-time highs back at $2 here. So we are looking for more upside. This is a nice impulsive move. Any pullback, it will be a continuation to the upside. We're giving a trading opportunity for more upside as far as Ripple is concerned. So we may see even higher levels as far as Ripple is concerned. Okay, so very interesting structures. So if you've been holding long-term, if you have long-term portfolios on the cryptos, you should be smiling because your so-called losses in May are now essentially recovered, or at least 61% of it has been recovered, and we expect more and even all-time highs. Right, I want to start with ADA as well. ADA has been trading higher, and one of the only cryptocurrencies that has now recovered all the losses from May. So this was ADA. We last had a setup around these levels, targeting this level in May, and since then it has been downside since. But what we're seeing now in hindsight is that that crash was only a corrective structure. Okay, so let's have a look here at this corrective structure here. This is now a clear triangle. Let's draw it cleanly. So this is a triangle. It's a continuation pattern with clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, and we are now trending higher. All-time highs on ADA. I hope you've got ADA in your portfolio. We've been talking about ADA since the beginning of the year. Right, so this is what we're looking at here, more upside, $3, $3.5 on ADA well within reach technically. Right, that's what we have there. Dogecoin, one of my favorite coins as well, looks like it's trending higher as well. It has also made a clear three-wave structure. You can see the similarities between these and Ripple. Okay, so we've got to move to the upside. Let's show that in yellow. We've got to move to the upside here, and you can see that we've got clear three-wave pullback here on Dogecoin. Now, it looks like we are starting a move to the upside, and the yellow move has started. So it will not be surprising to see Dogecoin retest the all-time highs and even higher. Okay, but one move, one wave at a time. We look for this to continue to the upside, at least back to the 50%. We should have a deeper reaction before a continuation to the upside. But overall, looking bullish in the crypto space. Look for more upside here on Doge. Right, so we've gone through ADA as well. Lastly, I'm just going to look at Link. Let's have a look at Link. So Link also made a three-wave pullback here. 1, 2, 3. Now we're looking for more upside. This is a clear ABC pullback here. So we are seeing a continuation to the upside here. So any continuation up to the pattern here is an opportunity to take this higher. Okay, so that's what we have for you for this week. I'm not going to go through the rest. You'll find that when you go through the rest of the market, the structures are exactly similar. So we are bullish overall in the crypto market space, looking very interested for the long-term holders as far as this is concerned. Have a great week, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you've not already done so. Drop us a like and also a comment and hit the notification button so you don't miss another video from us. Trade responsibly. I'll see you again next week. Cheers, everybody. Bye-bye.